Running a used car dealership can be overwhelming. You're a salesperson, an admin, and a compliance expert all rolled into one. But what if one platform could simplify it all? For over 40 years, EasyCars has been the trusted partner for dealers nationwide. We save you minutes with our unique Rego to Stock feature, instantly populating all vehicle details, specs and compliance checks. Speaking of compliance, we automate it for you. All government forms and dealings records updated for every state. No more sleepless nights. Stock faster with our Rego to Stock feature, price smarter with vehicle valuations, and get instant guaranteed wholesale offers from Pickles Auctions. It's how you maximise your margin on every single deal. This is why thousands of dealers trust Australia's leading dealer management system. EasyCars gives you the power to save time, sell more, and grow your business. Ready to see how it works? Book your personalised demo today.